What are Cornell Notes?
Cornell Notes is a proven method of organizing information for better understanding and recall. Created at Cornell University, this system uses a structured layout that encourages active engagement during lectures or reading. By dividing your page into sections, it helps you capture key points and summarize ideas efficiently, making your notes easier to review and use.
How to set up a Cornell Notes page.
To set up Cornell Notes, draw a vertical line about 1/3 from the left edge of your paper. Label the left column as Cues and the larger right column as Notes. At the bottom, leave space for a summary. This layout helps separate main ideas and details from quick review prompts and gives space to sum everything up.
Taking notes, the structured approach.
During lectures or reading, write detailed notes in the right column. Focus on important points, examples, and explanations. Do not try to transcribe everything. Summarize in your own words. The goal is to create clear, organized notes that you can understand later. Use bullet points, short sentences, or diagrams as needed to keep things clear and simple.
Using the cue column and summary.
After class or while reviewing, fill in the left cues column with questions, keywords, or prompts to trigger your memory. Then, write a brief summary at the bottom of the page to reinforce understanding. This active process makes material easier to review and helps you identify what you need to study further.
Reviewing and retaining information.
To get the most from Cornell Notes, regularly cover the notes column and use the cues to quiz yourself. Recite answers aloud, check your responses, and revise as needed. This method supports long-term retention and helps you prepare for exams with less stress. Organized notes make review sessions more focused and productive.